Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this one, I'm gonna be showing you crypto.com's coin, which is CRO. Now this is a coin which has been mentioned by almost every YouTuber in their YouTube video. So I think it is due time that I make a video on that because recently today as well, I was planning to make a video on it for a long period of time. But today I got a Discord message from one of my subscribers saying that I should be making one of my videos on CRO. So that is why I'm basically making that video because I think it is time. By the way, guys, thanks a lot because we have now reached 950 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. We are gaining like 100 subscribers each and every 2 weeks, which is pretty insane. I can't thank you enough. Now we are just 50 subscribers away from 1000 subscribers, and I really want to reach that as fast as possible. Now that was a target before the 2022 ends, but I think that even if we reach it, in the next 10 to 12 days, I would call it a massive success because we haven't been uploading for a long period of time, and us to reach this much subscribers means the world to me. Also guys, as you can see in our most popular videos, two of our videos now have crossed over 1000 views. Now this was another target which I had mentioned on my channel, so I thank you all for the support. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, turn on your notifications if you haven't already, because this year we plan to make this channel go 100x, if not more than that. So yeah guys, let's jump into the video now. So guys, crypto.com's coin, which is also called as CRONOS or say CRO, is a ranked 31st crypto. It is ranked 31st, which already means that it is pretty established cryptocurrency, and a lot of big people have been investing into this coin because the news, the FUD around this project is absolutely insane, especially due to the FTX scam. A lot of people were worrying about crypto.com as well. So I think this project is a project which is on my radar for a long period of time, but I think that this project has a massive potential in the next market rally, because seeing the Binance coin rising and going absolutely insane in its market cap, I think crypto.com has the potential to reach that level and also go beyond that because of the basic facilities, or say the basic services, the crypto.com project is doing. Now if you take a look over to the market cap, you can see it is already well established. It has a market cap of roughly $1.5 billion, which is absolutely insane even in the crypto space, because I always say that 100 million is not a big market cap in the crypto space, but $1.5 billion is a big market cap even in the crypto space. Now if you take a look over to the 24-hour trading volume, you will be able to see that over 9.4 million has been trading in the last 24 hours, which is pretty decent for a coin this big. It is on the lower side, but you already know that there is a lot of FUD around this project, so a lot of people refrain from trading or say refrain from selling. But I think this project is you should be looking at in the crypto.com ecosystem, or say in this project, because this has absolutely insane potential in the next market rally. Now if you take a look over to its chart, you will be able to see a similar pattern as we see with all the other altcoins. Pretty much the coin goes sideways for a long period of time because there isn't any much more demand for it, or the platform has not been developed. But as soon as the platform shows its true use cases, you can see we had a little pump over here when Bitcoin was reaching one of its all-time highs, but then it dipped once again, and in the next rally when Bitcoin reached its latest all-time high of about $69,000, this coin absolutely went insane, and as you can see, it peaked at an all-time high of roughly $1. Now it is currently down by 94% from its all-time high, and it is pretty close to its all-time low as well. The early investors who had invested at the all-time low are now just enjoying a 3x gain on their money, while a lot of people who have invested into this coin, I will say majority of people, are losing their money on this coin. So why should you be investing into this? Well, if you take a look over to the project, you take a look over to the things they are planning to do, the things they are basically working on, and if you think that this is a project for masses, for mass adoption, and more people will get to know about it, and more people will be interested, this should be a project which should be on your radar. Now in the last 30 days it is down by roughly 12.5%, and in the last year it is down by roughly 90%. So if you want to invest into this project, after I do all of my research and let you all know how this project is and what basically it is doing, I would suggest you to maybe DCA your money into this coin, because I have been mentioning that on my channel continuously, because I think a lot of the coins which I am mentioning on my channel are going to be going 100x if not 500x in the next market rally. Now don't get me wrong, 100x for CRONOS coin might sound like a bit far-fetched, but I think if it does all the things it is promising to do, if it basically gives the users back, I don't think like there is any reason that this coin won't be jumping in price just like Binance coin has done yet. Now if we take a look over to crypto.com's website, which is the the base of the CRONOS coin, you can see it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. It is trusted by more than 70 million customers worldwide. It is a leader in regulatory compliance and security certifications, the industry's most comprehensive insurance coverage, and verified proof of reserves. Now guys, this third point is really important, because as we saw with FTX as well, people were not able to get their money back. A lot of money was lost because of the founder Sam Bankman-Fried. But as you can see, they are providing the best insurance coverage, which is something everyone should be looking into, and they have verified proof of reserves similar to Binance, whose founder CZ told the people that every crypto exchange should be doing that, and now crypto.com has jumped to that. So that basically means that they have got nothing to hide, and their books are like wide open, so you can see what they are basically doing with the money they are getting, which is pretty insane if you think from my perspective, and if you think from any of the crypto guys perspective. Now if we scroll down, we can find that it has a really good interface, I have to say that. Now even though I am using Binance for a lot of my trades, or say for a lot of my big investments, I will say that I have shifted some of my money to crypto.com as well. Now that is the basic reason I've shifted there, is because of the the good interface, the good UI design, and basically ease of use. In Binance you have a lot of options like from A to Z, but basically what crypto.com is doing better is that it is giving you all those options, but it is a more simplified way of using those applications, or say those features, which really makes me go wonders about this project, because this is a really crypto community is really big, and the features for a blockchain, or say features for exchange, has to be comprehensive and extreme. But crypto.com does all of that with easy to use, and it is pretty secure and everything like that. Now if we scroll down, you can find some of its features. It is also jumping into NFTs, which is really good. You can check out some of the products from over here. So it is basically you can buy and sell using crypto.com, pretty decent and pretty self-explanatory, because it is an exchange. Crypto.com NFT, you can basically mint NFTs, trade NFTs on crypto.com, which is pretty awesome, because I know a lot of people only get into exchange if they can buy NFTs from their projects. And even if crypto.com does big partnerships in the next market rally or wherever it does, I think that is pretty good. You can also get metal Visa cards and up to 5% back on all spending, which is pretty good, because now you will be able to spend using your crypto, and it will be a metal card, which is something all of us really want to get. Crypto.com Pay, you can pay and get paid in crypto. Again, another thing which I'm really hyped about, and something which I'm looking forward to, because you can do all the trading and make all the money, but if in the long run you are not thinking of a way to pay in crypto and even get paid in crypto, if you're not thinking that way, I don't really know if you're looking into the crypto space from a broader perspective then. Because I think in the when the time comes when we have seen mass adoption of the cryptocurrencies, everyone will want to get paid in crypto and also to pay in crypto, which is something this project is already doing. So I'm really hyped about that, and that is absolutely insane. You can also earn from your crypto investments, basically by staking and things like that, so that is also pretty good. crypto credit. You can get an instant loan with no deadlines, which is pretty decent as well. And you can get all the loans you want, but you are also your money as an investor who has not taken any loans is also covered by the insurance, and you have the proof of reserves anytime you want to take a look. So that is pretty decent and something which really excites me even more, because I can be taking loans, and the average crypto trader don't really have to worry about whether his money will be stuck on an exchange. Now here are all the advanced features for all the the trading guys who like to trade daily. They want to do margin trading, derivatives trading, so everything can be done from over here. It always every each and every exchange has low fees, which is really good. You have a DeFi wallet, something like MetaMask, which is really good. Browser extension, which is really good. Desktop wallet, I think this is something similar to MetaMask, which is pretty good. Accept crypto simply and securely, pay for business, again really good thing which I'm really hyped about. Now guys, if you have been on my channel, you already know that when I invest into a project, the thing which I look at the most is their vision and their goals, and the things which they want to accomplish in the longer time frames, because I am into the crypto space for a long period of time. I'm not here for 5 years or say 7 years or even 10 years. I'm in it for the long run, for like 20-25 years, because I think this is gonna be mainstream and everyone will be using crypto.com or say crypto in general. So when I take a look over to the vision, it is pretty clear to me that what the project is basically doing and how it basically wants to proceed in the crypto space, because if it wants to be the leader, it has to have that vision. So as you can see, their vision is cryptocurrency in every wallet, something which is really good and something which I stand by. Their mission is to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency. So basically, making sure that the process goes smoothly, as smoothly as possible, as securely as possible, and as fast as possible. So they are doing that. Now why does it matter? Now why do I say that basically you need to shift to crypto if you haven't already, and you need to shift fast, because you don't really have to miss out. Now it is powered by cryptocurrency, the future of the internet. Web3 will be more fair and equitable, owned by the builders, creators, and users. Ultimately you, which is something I am really bullish on in the crypto space, because this is why I believe, this is why I started investing into the crypto space in the first stage itself. We believe it is your basic right to control your money, data, and identity. Again, these are all the things which everyone wants, but they are not able to do, because the traditional banking system hasn't made it so that you can be hiding your identity on the internet without moving large sums of money. Your data is always up for grabs for literally everyone. Your money is also literally up for grabs for anyone, because if you put all of your money into the bank and you say that you want to get it out tomorrow, so I think a lot of banks will be asking you, why do you need that money? Why do you need this? Why do you need that? Fill up that paperwork. And then only you will be able to get your money out. Now, this is something crypto basically, basically deletes that part ultimately, because you control your own money, which you have earned, which is really something I am absolutely bullish on. If you scroll down, you can see that you can check out some of their partners reaching the next billion users with the world's best partners. You can check out some of their partners. I believe they're partnered in World Cups, football leagues, UFC, esports, F1, basketball, basically all that things. So that really shows me that this project is planning to go mainstream, and it is already one of the biggest projects out in the crypto space. Our team, one vision, one global team, building a world-changing platform is a monumental task. These are the people behind it. So they have 70 million users, 90 plus countries, which is absolutely insane. If you scroll down, you can find some of their teams. Now, when a project is this big, you can't be going unnoticed, or say, all of these founders have gone through background checks, like up to their birth or even before that, because I can't be because everyone whoever is investing in the crypto space wants to know the company which they're investing in, and then they want to know the founders of that company, and if they are a verified user, or if they have done something good in the past, they have been contributing to the society, building things and something like that. And I think this team basically does it all. All of these names are pretty big. Chris is one of the biggest out of them all. A lot of people in the crypto space really respect him for who he is, because the things he has been doing is absolutely insane. You can also find all some of the information regarding the founders by clicking on their name, so make sure to check that out and read about all of them if you are investing into the crypto space. While I have already done that, I'm really bullish on that because I have read through all of them, and I think they have some of the biggest teams out there, and some of the best teams out there in the crypto space. You can also check out their advisory board, something which is really important, because if you don't have someone to give you a third opinion or say a second opinion, that all that building does not really matter. Because if you don't have anyone to give you advice on what you should be doing, you won't be growing as a company, and this company needs a lot of growth, and that is why they have an advisory board. I believe you can check about them as well, which is very good thing to know. Now if you scroll down, you can see that you can join their team if you want to explore some career options from right over here, which is pretty insane. If you take a look over to their values, now this is another thing I have been mentioning on my channel. Make sure to look out for these points when you invest into a project, because if they don't have a dedicated website page for this, they're basically in it for the short period of time. So you shouldn't be investing into that project, because if that project is already for a short period of time in the crypto space, I don't really think it has a massive potential to increase your money by a 50x or 100x in the next market rally, or even in the long period of time. Because let's be honest, you can get 100x from your $1,000, but after you have got that 100k in your bank account, I can 100% assure you, you will be investing most of that 100k back into the crypto space. And I think these are the projects which you should be looking for, because 10 times out of 1 times out of 10 you will be succeeding in with those micro gems. But 100 times out of 100, or 99 times out of 100, you will be winning with these big projects if you take a look over to all of their like their values, missions, the products they are making, the companies they are working with, their founders. I don't really think you can lose money. So think here, think clearly, be resourceful, stay determined, dream big, take ownership and be decisive, remain humble. Now this point, remaining humble, was something the founder of FTX didn't do. And what happened to his company? Well, you already know. A lot of investors lost all of their money because of that. Take ownership and be decisive. This is another thing he was not able to do. He only took decisions basing on his personal emotions, and that is what basically led the downfall of the FTX basically. Stay determined. When you get the money, it is pretty easy to lose your focus. But if you stay determined and you think clearly, you be resourceful, you have your dreams so big that you are always working for them, you can never really lose. This is something which another point which FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried was not able to do, because he was not really determined at all. When he got that money, he was basically on top of the world, something which shouldn't be done, and something which is taught us in every aspect of our life. You should always be humble, you should always dream big, you should always stay determined, and you should always take ownership and be decisive. Now down below you can check out some of the some more of their resources. You can learn about their platform from over here, such as the university. You can build your crypto knowledge from over here. You might be watching these videos to gain knowledge about crypto, but you can also gain your knowledge from over here. You can do your research and analysis from over here. NFT deep dives, get to know the creators and their work, because a lot of NFT projects are rugs. You can take a look over to the product news. You can check out some of the product news from over here. You can click on events and connect online and in person in their events. You can track the market's latest developments, and I mean the list goes on and on and on. So do I think crypto.com is a good buy? I think it is a pretty decent buy if you want to increase your money. Now if you take a look at the price of it right now, I think it can seriously go back to $1 or $3 to $4 in the longer period of time. Will I be investing into a coin this big? Yes, for sure I will be investing into this because I have made some decent gains on my investment, and I think that these are the projects which you should be, DCing your investment into, because Ethereum and Bitcoin can give you some serious gains. But as I've already mentioned on my channel, if Ethereum goes 5% up, these coins will be going more up, more in terms of percentage than Ethereum, because when the market cap rises, the first money flows into the fiat currency, or say into Bitcoin, then it goes into Ethereum, and then it goes to altcoins, and then it goes to shit coins, and then basically the cycle repeats. And I think when Bitcoin goes up, these coins are gonna be absolutely, going insane. And that is pretty much it from this video, guys, and that is my whole deep dive on why I think CRONOS is a project you should be looking into, and something, it is a force to be reckoned with, actually. So yeah, guys, that is gonna be pretty much it from this video. I know it has been a little long video, but I hope I covered everything about crypto.com. Now if you want more videos on crypto.com, make sure to drop a like on this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already, because we are reaching that 1000 subscriber number very, very, very soon. And I can't really be more thankful to all of you, because I really love you all. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and peace out. Catch you all in the next one.